In this video, we're talking about one of the most important element of the algebra, which is called the additive inverse. Additive inverse is also holds for addition and multiplication. Additive inverse is the opposite of the number or is the negative of the number. Any number plus its additive inverse equals to 0, or 0 is the identity element as we have studied before. So here a is any number, so its additive inverse is the opposite of the number. So opposite of a is minus a, or if we add these both number a and minus a, we get 0, and 0 is the identity element. So here minus a is the additive inverse in addition. So for example, we have to find out the additive inverse of 5. So if we add minus 5 into 5, it will give us plus and minus always equal to minus. So 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0. So here we'll get 0. It means minus 5 is the additive inverse of 5. So now other side, multiplicative inverse. Yes, here is little bit different than the identity element. In addition, the identity element was same as the identity element for multiplication. Same like in the name, not like as a number. So here we have a different name for the inverse in multiplication, and it is called the multiplicative inverse. So what is multiplicative inverse? The multiplicative inverse is the reciprocal of the number. Any non-zero number multiplied by its reciprocal equals to 1. So here a is the any number. So if we divide, or you can say if you multiply a by its reciprocal, a and a will cancel and we will get 1. And 1 is the identity element for multiplication. So here 1 divided by a, 1 divided by a is the multiplicative inverse of multiplicative inverse of a. So here is the example. Find out the multiplicative inverse of 5. So when we multiply 5 by 1 divided by 5, and 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 5 by 5 divided by is equal to 1. So it means the multiplicative inverse of 5 is 1 divided by 5, just reciprocal the number. Okay, so for example, the multiplicative inverse of 3 is 1 divided by 3. So 1 over 3 will give us 1. So multiplicative inverse of 3 is 1 divided by 3. Same with 2 and 4. The multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 divided by 2, and the multiplicative inverse of 4 is 1 divided by